Okay, hi. So I thought of doing a video today because today the 17th of November because I have not been doing one for the last week or so. Uh, the main the main pair that was very interesting was the pound dollar from October until November. So that was the only thing I was really focused on. Um, but I do have also other trade ideas. I thought I'd just share some of the trade ideas. But pound dollar was the main one. He's always looking for the sell. There was a buy here as well. Um, so I'll talk about this pound dollar. Um, Pound dollar. Okay, so maybe I'll just make this a recap. Make this a recap. So let's go look at the pound dollar sell then. Okay, just the pound dollar because this was really the entire trade for end of October leading up to November. So basically looking at price, you come down, as you can see, all the way here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, for which there is a bounce, as you can see. So looking for price to drop to about this level. I think I did explain why I was looking for the sell on this. I think it was over here, pound dollar sell. It actually was here. This is a live chart. So it was all the way back in October actually. Then it ends off October, and so somewhere here, November. So October here, looking for it to go up, and then looking for it to come back down. Actually, I do want it to come down to 1.31 even. So right now, this level has already been hit. So you get a one wave, second wave, a third wave. So this is some kind of third wave. So generally speaking, since you want the trade to be hit, okay, so it's a good idea to look for sells instead of the buys. Not impossible to buy because pound moves a great deal. So even though we trade the correction, which is over here, so even though trading this correction, it may not seem the best idea, but in this case, pound dollar is one pair that gives enough pips. So you could actually trade this one up and then trade this one down. Then once this makes a bigger pullback, you can try to sell it again. Okay, we're gonna see what this actually does. So yeah, so this is the main thing, pound dollar up and down. So you can make this money up, you can make this money down. And that's basically what it did, like up and then down. So let me just show the pound dollar. The pound dollar sell, right? Yeah. Pound dollar sell. So when I was looking for the sell, it was basically at that point in time, it was actually just this sell over here. Hold on one second. So that's what you want to be hit, 270, right? So most important, of course, you slap on, you put time on here, right? And of course, not forgetting this side, you have that, right? For a trend line, like so. And then you have a very nice tree structure, 1, 2, 3. All right, this is a nice double top as well. With a first wave, it breaks out. As you can see, it breaks out. And then you have tree structure, like so. So 1, 2, and that's why this one you're looking for one more wave to downside, which is this one, okay? So this is the entire bias. So much time had to pass, right? So much time had to pass Imagine that 247 days for this very high, like a royal flush type of trade. It's all that you're looking for. This is like super, it's like someone giving you free money. You will go all in when you trade stuff like this, okay? Because it's a very high probability trade. And over here, can you imagine over here in October, you're really looking for this move up and looking for this move down. Okay, so if you know what to do here and down, and you're convinced that this works, uh, then you know you'll be coming to put on standard lots, right? So let's go look at the buy. The buy for pound dollar was quite interesting. It's really quite interesting. Like over here, price action came up, came down, went up. So you're looking for a buy up, but then knowing that this is actually a retrace, and then the ultimate move was actually this big move to the downside. All right. So let me see if I can be more clear. This one will be more clear, maybe. Yeah. So over here, as you can see, in A, B, C wave. So this is this is the correction, which is 1, 2, 3. The idea is it's a multi-wave, a correction, and then one more wave up, right? Until about here. Then over here is when it can turn, you see. So you see price reach that level, and then what happens? Zoom, you just immediately drop the downside. So again, even though we are interested in trading the pound, but pound to the downside, the downside, which is over here. But this wave up could also be traded at the time. Okay, so which was actually this one over here. Okay. So actually it's really fractal in nature. Basically it was like this. And you see it's very, very, very interesting. You see also that these are the setups that are very high quality setups. 1, 2, 3. And of course that you get outside the box, right? See that? What you do, look for the next buy. Look for the next buy. And then once you get the next buy, now you have this trend line. And then you have this as well. So what do? Remember the bias was always sell. So you have this, you have this, you have that. And this has the same look as what? As the daily. It's all fractal in nature. This that we just did over here, look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's the same thing over here. So I'm doing, so the same method actually applied 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, right? The exact same style. So over here we had it one time here on the higher time frame. And of course, time box, you always wait for it's an ABC move, strong move, sideways, box it up, right? Outside the box, by up. But knowing this is a retrace, why is it this? Why is this a retrace? Because remember, on the daily, what were you looking at? Looking at this. So we must know that we are looking at this is a potential third wave, right? Potential third wave like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You know we are in the potential third wave coming down. So any buys must be short-lived. So any buys is only a retrace, right? And a retrace right there, like so. Okay. So this is some kind of third wave. So we can ABC, we can buy this one up. But once we reach this top over here, I mean, there are many reasons why you want to exit trend line, or you could say like this, right? Because in a multi-wave, a strong push up will soon push it down, right? So once it reaches this top, you're looking to exit and then looking for a reason to enter again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, of course, this is the 3. So this you could buy, this you could sell again. Then once you hit there, once you hit this level, we are out. Why? Why do we have to be out? Because in this style of trading, you're always out at the 270 at the 270. Okay, so a big trade and two small trades in there. And these are all very big moves. These are all very big moves, okay? It's about 300 over 400 pips. And these are very good pips to take. You go in huge, big lots on this, right? Not one micro lot we need, but maybe standard lots, 1, 2, 10, 20 standard lots, right? Because you're going to wait a long time for this kind of setup to happen. Like I said, you're going to wait a long time. This kind of setup takes 238 days. Okay? So when you see it happen, don't you got to be confident, right? So pound dollar. I think this was really all the trade that we need to do for October and November. I mean, just this one trade up and down, uh, it's enough for the entire year. I think. To be honest, okay. Um, what else? I don't think there's much to discuss anymore. I don't have much because the only thing I was looking at was at the pound dollar. Anything else that I was looking at are mostly just for study's sake. The pound dollar was the one that was really good. Now, in any case, I did do some charts for euro dollar. This all sells. It didn't pull back, it just dropped. Expected because pound dollar also dropped, you see. So this is all due to the dollar strength. So you want pound dollar to drop, that means dollar yen going to go up as well. So they're all correlated, you see. So the directions all have to be the same. That's really it. Okay, I just want to share this too. Maybe something just for interest sake. Let's go look at a bit of Dodge. Dodge, this Dodge looks like a buy actually. I would recommend if you're looking to invest in crypto, look at Dodge. This looks strong. This looks sideways, right? I think a move up of Dodge up to 0.36 quite possible. Just a move up there. This from here to there. Just wait for a breakout. Draw a trend line now. Over here. Just look out for it. Okay. Is that clear? Let me just do that again. Yeah. So you just look for small pushes upside like that. Candle can stay above here. That's very good. That's good for that. Right. So that's what you're hoping to get, basically. Things like that, you see. So price action comes down here, it starts to go down. So I'm just doing the same thing over here. Price action stay up, you're looking for the go up. So this is down, this is up. It's a same idea. So just look out for it. I mean, I don't know whether I'll be looking out for this, but if I were to trade, I think this is a good trade. All right. So I'm kind of winding down for the year. And pound dollar, unless I see something really good, I think pound dollar was a huge trade for me. And probably come now it's really end of November, Christmas around the corner. Maybe December I might not trade. And probably start again next year in January, February. But in any case, if I see anything interesting on crypto, maybe I'll post it. Okay. All right, that's it. And I hope everyone did well for the pound dollar. Okay, take care. Bye bye.